Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and this is, what, the fourth recipe I'm making from some of the extremely large amount of yakisoba that came out of this. This is Petamax. Big. Or what is it? Extra large portion yakisoba. Petamax. So, review 4,000. And I thought, because last time I hit a big 1,000 number, my mom was around, and I thought maybe I should make the recipe that she made me when I was a kid, show you how to do it. There's really not much to it at all, so I figure, why not? And this will close out all the video that I'll be doing for the big 4K. Yeah, that's a lot of noodles. That was a lot of noodles. I mean, it was enough to make all that. So it's been fun, that's for sure. And then tomorrow there will be no kids here for 3 hours, and guess what I'm doing, folks? Well, as long as I don't get sicker, jeez. But I'll be doing the the top 10 list videos. I think I've got 3 top 10 lists lined up. So it's pretty cool. It's been a long time coming since I've been able to stand in front of the green screen and do top 10 lists, mainly because I didn't want to torture my wife by saying, get the kids out of here, I need 3 hours to work, you know? It's like, that's no fun. When she has the time to actually would be able to do that, I want to be spending time with her, so, and them. So, yeah, this works, I'm stoked. Anyways, yeah. Oh, my daughter brought home a cold, my son got it, my wife got it, and then I got it, and I thought I was like getting done with it. Man, it feels just like I was picking my nose with a Brillo pad, gargling with a Brillo pad. Just maybe they brought home a new one. That is entirely possible. Okay, so I've got some of the noodles left from the Petamax. There it is. Oh my. Okay, we'll see if this is gonna work. Wow, I might need 3 eggs. That's a lot of noodles. There was nothing small about this whole enormous yakisoba thing. Nothing at all. It was just a huge monstrosity from beginning to end. That's like way more noodles than I wanted to use. I'm gonna have to use 3 eggs at least in this sucker. Huh. Okay, fine. So we got that. Now we need eggs. Probably needed to use more oil than I used too. I don't know what it is. I think you have to be my mom to do this recipe correctly. At least as far as I like to have it perfected. So 1 egg. Yeah, I'll do 3. I think that's the logical thing to do. This was actually this recipe, and I kind of did it wrong. Was pretty much really the first video I ever did. I got a new camera a long time ago that my wife got me, and then I started doing videos, and I've done a ton of them. I don't even I think there's like 3,000 videos on my channel. I'm not sure. But yeah, I did tons and tons and tons of video. And there's the eggs. And it's worked out really well. But this was the first one I really did. I called it the best ramen recipe ever. And it ended up like, I think it's got over 500,000 views. It's the only video that I have that's like that. I've got videos, plenty of videos with 10,000 or 20,000, but. And the comments on that one, woof. Yeah, we'll just let it sit. Do its thing. Yeah, this whole cold thing is just like packed a wall up. I guess I just wasn't ready for the power of children and their diseases. I wonder if she'll eat this. Oh, I didn't get the bowl down. I'll go get the bowl. The particular bowl I'm going to use. Very particular. Hopefully that's one of them. Man, I can't find any of these bowls. Maybe that's it up there. Dude. If I have to use this bowl, there's a reason for it too. Man, where'd it go? This is irritating. Very irritating. I already looked in there. What the hell? There's gotta be one. There's one. There's one. I'd be like, why is it so important that you use that bowl, Ramen? I mean, come on. Well, I'm pretty sure that when I was a kid, I used this bowl. After my mom passed, my sister went through a whole bunch of stuff in the house, including the fine china, and bestowed upon me some of it. Okay, that's good. All right. I'll show it to you in a second. I'll show you. Do that. Get it all worked in there. It got a little dark, but that's okay. Adds a little extra crunch. Turn you down. I'm gonna turn you down, sucker. But yeah, definitely weird this year. And with COVID, it's after my mom died, my family couldn't get together, so I wasn't able to see my sister for a long time. But finally, we were able to, and that was good. But this will be the first time we've had like Thanksgiving and Christmas and all that at my home, well, where I grew up. And yeah, this is the plate. It's kind of a bowl, but it's kind of a plate. I think this is considered a salad bowl. But yeah, this pattern is called Noritake Homecoming, and it's weird. I remember years ago, I don't know if it was just I dropped acid or I ate mushrooms, but regardless, I remember seeing this pattern when I would close my eyes. It was kind of disconcerting. Over and over and over and over. It's just like, whoa, I see it, I see it. I think it was mushrooms. Yeah, because there was like this time I was walking down the street, just minding my own business, doing my own thing, and a couple carloads of punks pull up, and one of them proceeded to like jump me. It was like, what the heck? And it was lame. And so got home, my buddy showed up. He's like, whoa, got some shrooms. I'm like, okay. That all the adrenaline and all the craziness of that experience, then that, it was cool. It was actually a really good deal. Could have done without the getting jumped, but yeah, anyway. Years in the past, I think I was probably like, I definitely wasn't 18 yet. I was probably like 16 or 17. Now, what I usually used was Nissin roasted ramen, or that a product you probably never heard of that never will exist again. However, it was almost identical to Nissin chicken ramen, which was the first instant noodle on the market from 1958. You can still get that. You can also get this stuff called, is it called Tokyo ramen? I think so. It's got this, basically the whole thing is they're like really light crisp noodles, and they've got the seasoning in the noodle block. And kind of have a sesame flavor to them. It's supposed to be chicken. It's not bad. It's really not bad. But yeah, that stuff lends itself to doing this very well. But boy, that recipe that I did, people have really gone on crazy tangents and like gotten mad. Because when I did that video, I put the seasoning in and water and boiled the noodles. They were like, you're not gonna get enough flavor doing that. You so-and-so, blah, blah, blah. It's like, wow. You guys really like your noodles. Okay. There it is. God, there's another recipe my mom used to make. She would take, what is it? You need a slice of toast, or a slice of bread, toast it, break it up into little pieces. 1 egg, crack it in there, stir it up. Dehydrated onion, shake some of that in there. And then a drained can of French cut green beans. And you stir it and stir it and stir it. Then you drop it in a flat frying pan and cook it up. And my mom used to do Weight Watchers, and it was a recipe. And my sister would just refer to it as the bean thing. My mom called them bean burgers. They were really freaking good. Really good. So if you only have one slice of bread, some dehydrated onions, oh, and you put a slice of Velveeta on top, and if you have an egg, a slice of bread, French cut green beans, a slice of Velveeta or other cheese, and yeah, if you got all that stuff, you can make a very flavorful meal. But I'm going to give this a try. I've only been able to make it maybe like once decently. There it is. Mm-hmm. It's that little bit of crispness goes a long way. I can tell. Yeah, these are crispy. That was a little crispy. It's not the same though. You gotta have the right noodles to do this. These really aren't, but it worked. So let's have a little bit of time with raw tomato. The rotating, yeah. Alright, well that's the last of it for number 4,000. I'll keep this trainer rolling. It's I've already done 4,061 reviews. There will be more coming. The train never stops. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment to your noodles each and every day. Keep trying stuff. It's good for you. Have a good one. Bye.